Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the chapter Respiration and Lipid Metabolism. And today's topic is Significance of Lipid. Lipids are a group of biological molecules that include fats, oils, and some steroids. They are built from fatty acids bonded to a wide range of other compounds. Their importance in the biological world is immense. They fill a number of important roles in the cells of all of Earth's organisms. Of the four molecules of life, lipids arguably have the greatest variation in their basic structure and are far more difficult to define than proteins, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids. Almost all lipids are insoluble in water. They are known as hydrophobic molecules because they are repelled by water. Why are lipids important? Lipids are essential for all life on Earth. They play many important roles in maintaining the health of an organism. Arguably, the most important functions lipids perform is as the building blocks of cellular membranes. Other functions include energy storage, insulation, cellular communication, and protection. Cell membranes. Cell membranes are made from a double layer of lipids known as phospholipids. The plasma membrane around a cell provides a barrier that separates the contents of a cell from the external world. It is responsible for controlling what substances enter and leave a cell. Organelles are specialized membrane-bound structures found in the cells of animals, plants, fungi, and protists. They perform particular tasks such as photosynthesis and respiration. Organelles are the key features of eukaryotic cells that have made plants, animals, and fungi so efficient at using resources. Organelles would not exist if it weren't for lipid-based membranes. Energy storage. Lipids play an important role in storing energy. If an animal eats an excessive amount of energy, it is able to store the energy for later use in fat molecules. Fat molecules can store a very high amount of energy for their size, which is important for animals because of our mobile lifestyle. Plants, on the other hand, store energy less efficiently in carbohydrates because they don't need to move. Insulation. Fats are important for heat insulation. Marine mammals such as seals, dolphins, and whales offer a perfect example of how fats can provide insulation. In order to prevent themselves from freezing to death in water, many marine mammals have a thick layer of fat called blubber. to keep them warm. Blubber covers their entire bodies apart from their fins and head and prevent water from cooling their internal body temperatures. The layers of blubber also makes their bodies extremely streamlined for moving through water. Fats also provide a protective layer around important organs in mammals such as our liver and kidneys. Cell-cell communication, that means cell-to-cell communication. Steroids are a group of lipids involved in cellular communication. A number of steroids are hormones and are important for many processes in the body, including growth, sexual development, regulating metabolism, and immunodefense. Structure of lipids. There is a huge variety of different lipids and the chemical structure varies between each of them. Because of this, it is difficult to outline a general structure of lipid. All lipids do, however, contain at least one hydrocarbon chain. That means a chain of carbon and hydrogen atoms with an acidic end. Hydrocarbon chains are insoluble in water. The vast majority of lipids has long hydrocarbon chain, which are why they are hydrophobic molecules. That means they don't dissolve in water. Fatty acids. Fatty acids are a defining feature of lipids. A fatty acid is a long hydrocarbon chain with an acidic head. The acidic head is more correctly known as a carboxylic acid and has the chemical structure COOH, the same structure that makes vinegar acidic. A fatty acid can be saturated or unsaturated. If two carbon atoms of the hydrocarbon chain share a double bond, then a fatty acid is known as unsaturated. If there are no double bonds along the alkyl chain, the fatty acids is saturated. This is because all of the carbon atoms have bonded to as many hydrogen atoms as possible. The alkyl chain is therefore saturated in hydrogen. The presence of a double bond makes a fatty acid unsaturated because it is possible for the alkyl chain to be bonded to more hydrogen atoms. Fats and oils. Fats are a common and well-known form of lipids. They are made by bonding fatty acids to an alcohol. The most common fat is triglycerol. Triglycerol is a fat made from three fatty acids bonded to an alcohol called glycerol. Glycerol is a 3-carbon alcohol and each of the carbon bond to one fatty acid. The structure of the fatty acids of a fat determines if a fat is saturated or unsaturated. Double bond in one or more alkyl chains of the fatty acids create an unsaturated fat. A fat molecule with no double bonds in any of its alkyl chains is known as saturated fat. A double bond creates a bend in an alkyl chain. This reduces how tightly fat molecules can be packed together. Loosely packed fats have lower melting points, which is why unsaturated fats, such as vegetable oils, are commonly liquid at room temperature. Saturated fats, on the other hand, have higher melting points and are more likely to be found as solids at room temperature. The main function of fats is to store energy. They are most common in animals because they contain a very large amount of energy for their weight. A fat molecules will hold far more energy than a carbohydrate molecules of the same weight. For mobile animals, carrying extra weight is not ideal, so storing energy in lightweight molecules is beneficial. Fats are stored in tissues known as adipose tissues and in cells known as adipose cells. Phospholipids. Phospholipids are less well known than fats and oils, but are essential to life on Earth. They are the molecules used to build the membranes found around and inside cells. Without a plasma membrane, a cell would not be able to survive. A phospholipid is similar in structure to a triglyceride. It contains two fatty acids plus a phosphate group bonded to the 3 carbon of a glycerol molecules. The sole difference between a phospholipids and a fat is the replacement of one fatty acids with a phosphate group. A phosphate group has a negative charge, so many other molecules can attach themselves to the phosphate group. This makes a large variety of different possible phospholipids. The combination of fatty acids and a phosphate group make phospholipids ideal for making cellular membranes. The phosphate group is soluble in water and is therefore attached to water. The fatty acids are insoluble in water and are hydrophobic. A phospholipid membrane contains two layers of phospholipids. In both layers, the hydrophobic fatty acids point inward towards each other. The phosphate groups face outward towards the water, best environments of the cells and the surrounding world. This phospholipid bilayer creates a barrier of substances moving in and out of the cell. If a substance wants to pass through the membrane, it must be able to move through the hydrophilic barrier of phosphate groups and the hydrophobic barrier of fatty acids. Many substances can only move in and out of cells via membrane channel created by proteins. Steroids. Steroids are a particular type of lipid with a unique chemical structure. They are characterized by having carbon atoms arranged into 4 adjacent rings, 3 rings made from 6 carbon atoms, and the final ring made from 5 carbon atoms. Steroids are produced naturally in the body. Examples include cholesterol and the sex hormones, testosterone, progesterone, and estrogen. Cholesterol is the most abundant steroid in the body and is produced in the brain, blood, and nerve tissues.